Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how a large language model performs on a real CPA exam simulation. If you've ever wondered whether AI can truly handle the complexities of accounting and auditing, you're in the right place. For this demonstration, we're using IBM's Granite 3.3, specifically the 8 billion parameter model. Granite is IBM's open source language model, and this version hits a sweet spot between performance and efficiency. It's compact enough to run on modest hardware, but powerful enough to reason through dense accounting logic. So, how did it do? Granite scored an overall 63.4 on the exam and completed it in just 17.5 minutes. That's fast, really fast. But what's even more impressive is the granular analytics provided by our evaluation system. We're not just looking at a pass or fail outcome here. Instead, we get a full performance breakdown across CPA domains, including incident response, security testing, data governance, and regulatory frameworks. The model's highest scoring section was Information Systems and Controls, or ISC, where it hit 72.7% accuracy. Every question includes a full rationale, the LLM's answer, and the correct benchmark response for comparison. What makes this test valuable is transparency. You can see exactly where the model excelled and where it struggled. This kind of diagnostic feedback is critical for anyone building AI tools that need to be both accurate and compliant. And we're just getting started. We'll be testing other open-source models like Mistral, Gemma, and Llama 3 next, so you'll see how Granite stacks up across the board. Now, here's where it gets even more useful. All of this data feeds into the Accounting LLM Leaderboard, our open leaderboard that evaluates how well open-source LLMs understand the specialized knowledge required by CPAs. This isn't just academic. The leaderboard serves as a real-world resource for firms building AI agents, automating accounting workflows, and developing audit intelligence tools that align with industry standards. Whether you're deploying models for client service or internal review, this tool shows you which LLMs are truly ready for the job. If you found this valuable, don't miss out on even deeper insights. Subscribe to the AI Accounting Weekly newsletter. You'll get exclusive access to in-depth leaderboard breakdowns, model comparisons, emerging AI trends, and practical guides for implementation in accounting and audit workflows. We believe that trust begins with understanding. Hit that subscribe button below and join a growing community of professionals bringing AI into the future of finance. Thanks for watching.